Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Nei Appam or Ghee Appam. This is a very delicious dessert recipe usually made during festive season. A very healthy snack as it is made using raw rice, jaggery and ghee. Adding these ingredients to your diet is very important. There are a few easy steps to follow to make this delicious Nei Appam. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 1 cup of jaggery and 1 cup of water. Give it a quick mix and let this boil for 2 minutes in high flame. After 2 minutes, the jaggery has completely melted. Off the flame. Allow the jaggery water to cool completely. Today I have soaked 1 cup of raw Ponni rice in water for 4 hours. Now it's nicely soaked and ready. Clean wash it, drain off the water and transfer it to a plate like this. Spread it well and let this dry for 30 minutes in room temperature. Maybe you can use a fan to dry it. Now after 30 minutes the rice is nice and dry, so transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add 3 cardamom and grind it to a fine powder. Now we have it done. Transfer it to a mixing bowl. To this add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of homemade ghee. The jaggery water is nice and cool now, so strain it and add it to the mixing bowl. Mix all the ingredients well and make sure no lumps are formed. Now we have a very smooth running dough. Close with a lid and let this rest for 2 hours. After 2 hours we can make the Nei Appam. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1 ladle full of Nei Appam dough. Keep the flame in medium throughout the frying process. Fry the appams as we do fry puri so that they turn nice and fluffy. Fry only 1 appam at a time so that the heat is evenly spread. Flip sides and fry until both sides are nicely done and dark brown in color. Now after 3 minutes of frying, both sides are nicely done and ready. So let's now remove it. Now a delicious Nei Appam is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and delicious recipe. So do try this Nei Appam recipe at your home for this Diwali and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.